The "Please call your operator" message on your Spectrum cable box typically means there's an issue with your account or the signal it's receiving. Account problems include unpaid bills or service suspensions. Signal issues can stem from poor cable connections, damaged coaxial cables, or interference. This error prevents your box from authenticating with Spectrum's servers. First, always check your Spectrum account status via the app or website to see if there are any billing issues and make sure your service has not been suspended. In many cases, this can resolve the issue. If your account is in good standing, focus on signal and equipment troubleshooting. Begin by rebooting your cable box. Unplug it for 60 seconds and plug it back in. Verify all cable connections are secure, especially the coaxial cable from the wall to the box. Try relocating any nearby electronics that might be causing interference, such as Wi-Fi routers. If problems persist, use the Spectrum app to run diagnostics. If these steps don't work, contact Spectrum support directly at 1-800-892-4357. Keep in mind that Spectrum is investing in infrastructure upgrades, and AI diagnostics in the app may proactively resolve signal problems in some areas.